What is going on, my blessed crypto enthusiasts? You're watching Crypto Blessing, where you can find daily content on all of the trending cryptocurrency news, market analysis, and more. And today, as with most days, we are having a look at the cryptocurrency markets. Getting news last week that the SEC has denied the Winklevoss ETF application. Publications were quick to publish Bitcoin could be resuming its downward channel, and Bitcoin did touch 7,900 but was quickly brought back up. The market cap has hovered at $297 billion over the last week, only today seeing a drop of $5 billion to 292, but the price of Bitcoin has remained relatively stable. There's an article today that I don't really like the headline of, talking about Bitcoin dominance being 20% away from all-time highs and suggesting a surge to $20,000. Really, I'm focused on $10,000, and I'm focused on the market cap hitting $500 billion and finding support. And I honestly don't think Bitcoin can see dominance levels like it used to see. If we look at the historical charts, really before last year, where we saw the rise of a lot of very dominant altcoins, Bitcoin dominance was over 75%. So really, in my opinion, the landscape of the market has changed dramatically. They are specifically talking about this little section here where Bitcoin saw a sharp jump. And you have to keep in mind, Bitcoin hitting $20,000, the market cap was almost $1 trillion at 800 and change billion dollars. That is so much larger than where it is right now. That's well over double where the market cap is right now. So although Bitcoin dominance could go up to like 60%, and if it did, it would have a respective Bitcoin price of like $12,000 to $15,000. I really think 20K is very sensational and is reaching. So again, do all of your own research. That is what the emphasis of the majority of these videos are. You can learn to develop trust with certain content creators over the course of time, as long as they provide unbiased and honest reporting. I try to do that and bring value to anybody that watches these videos. And the reality of the situation is this market changes so quickly. Governments around the world are increasingly having a look at cryptocurrency and making decisions as to whether or not it should be taxed, legalized, or how it should be categorized. The cryptocurrency market depends greatly on a lot of these decisions, and what ends up happening is anyone's guess. There's a lot of talk about the Bitcoin futures. There's also a lot of talk about the CBOE's Bitcoin ETF application, but nobody quite knows the future. Daily Hodl has a wicked article published today that over 5,000 merchants in Chile are accepting crypto payments in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Stellar. And this is just Chile. There is a lot of places the world over that are increasingly taking a look at accepting cryptocurrencies in some fashion. There's a lot of stable coins coming onto the market, and development is rampant in this space. Be skeptical of anyone that does say they do know the future, because all we can do is continue to monitor these markets, and that is just what I plan to do. I'm hoping we do retain $8,000 and we can see another push to 10K. But really, taking it step by step is the best way to go. I'm really hopeful that this accumulation phase of Bitcoin is over with and we can start bringing back wicked numbers that really pleased a lot of people. So continue to follow us here at Crypto Blessing for all the emerging changes. And comment below, what do you think is going to happen? Are we still in a bull trap and we will shortly see lower lows? Or are we really gearing up for the market to pop off? Comment below and let me know. Also, if you've made it this far, please hit that like button. It helps us get in more people's recommended videos and will help grow our audience and you, the blessed crypto family. Stick around because you don't want to FOMO out when this market pops off, which at this point seems like an inevitability. And I will see everyone tomorrow.